Tosin Fakile live outside Cordell Hull building where that meeting is taking place. So Tosin, tell us what happened.
Well, Tracy, that meeting adjourned a little while ago. Health Commissioner Dr. Lisa Piercy was not at the meeting, so the chairman of this committee read a statement that they put together, and Senator Roberts read that statement. Now, just a reminder, this is the committee which, in their meeting in June, some Republican lawmakers suggested dissolving the Tennessee Department of Health, which is why they asked the Department of Health to be here today. Now, as that statement was read, a major concern for both chairmen was that the Department of Health not administer COVID-19 vaccines without parental consent and marketing to minors. At the meeting were physicians in the front row who were calling for Tennesseans to get vaccinated and showing their support for Dr. Michelle Fiscus. Now, while reading the statement, Senator Roberts said Dr. Piercy had a scheduling conflict and asked to reschedule being here. And before they agreed to that, they asked her to meet with them privately. In that private meeting, Dr. Piercy and the governor's office confirmed that it is not the policy of the Department of Health, the Department of Education, or the 89 health departments to administer the COVID-19 vaccines to children without parental consent. Now, Senator Roberts said Dr. Piercy also detailed the steps that would be taken in stopping the marketing of the COVID-19 vaccine to minors. And Senator Roberts says their major concerns were those two things, and that's what they wanted to stress.
Interpreting these two concerns as being anti-vaxxers is intellectually dishonest, it's lazy, and it's wrong. We have not discouraged Tennesseans from being vaccinated, nor have we discouraged Tennesseans from having their children vaccinated.
The same tactics that Senator Roberts just said about bullying, cajoling, ridiculing people, they used that against Dr. Piercy and Dr. Fiscus. They used those same tactics. And we're sitting here, that is the biggest hypocrisy that I could think of, to what we just witnessed in there.
Now, Democratic Representative Dixie, who you just heard from, said he did not know about the private meeting with Dr. Lisa Piercy, and they did not know about the statement that was read here today. Republican Senator Roberts said Tennessee efforts on childhood vaccinations are unchanged. They say the only exception is when it comes to giving COVID-19 vaccines to minors without parental consent. Back to you, Tracy.
All right, Tosin, thank you. You know, this is just another piece to a story we have followed for almost 2 weeks now. To read how it led up to this point, we have it all broken down for you on WSMV.com. You can also follow updates through our free News 4 app. We will send you alerts as things develop.